Our advertisers are primarily small New Jersey businesses, local businesses, and to be honest, it has been a tough couple of years. Margins are off and sales are down. Many businesses have adapted, they've made changes, and those businesses have survived. We're a small New Jersey-based business ourselves at Design NJ, so we really understand what people are going through. In our business, I have a zero tolerance for spending that has no purpose. So we try to apply that same philosophy to our advertising programs. The account managers and I work very closely to offer programs to advertisers that make sense and that have value so that their businesses can actually increase sales over the course of time.